In this session, we're going to talk about the Reaction Plan Manager++ solution. A Reaction Plan Manager++ solution consists of two parts, one for processing measurement data and the other to perform the analysis. The data collector is used to process measurement data, and the reaction plans are used to perform the data analysis. The data collector determines how the measurement data is read from the data source, grouped and distributed to the reaction plans. Think of the data collector as a person who has a stack of inspection reports coming from multiple machines. This person sorts through the inspection reports and organizes them into piles. Each pile represents data from each machine. This person then gives each pile to the appropriate person responsible for machine adjustments. This is what the data collector does. It reads, groups, and distributes measurement data. Reaction plans determine how the data is analyzed and the results displayed. Each reaction plan holds dimension items and other content to make the instructions easy to understand. The dimension items are the key to the analysis. Each dimension item is configured to hold and analyze data coming from the data collector. Think of the reaction plan as the engineer interpreting the pile of inspection reports and making decisions about the adjustments required for the machine. Each piece of data the engineer analyzes from the inspection reports represents a different dimension item. A solution has one data collector and multiple reaction plans. The number of reaction plans depends on the number of groups defined by the data collector. Now I'm going to start Reaction Plan Manager++ and actually show you what happens when new data is processed. As you can see, we're in the view mode, so automatic data monitoring is on. So it's looking for data files in the trigger directory. I'm going to run a fake data simulator here to simulate the flow of data to the trigger directory. I'm going to run the op30 process by clicking the inspect button. It'll create the data file for us. Now, once the data file was written, Reaction Plan Manager++ saw the file, went to the repository to look for a solution associated with that file. It found the solution and then loaded it into memory. Once it loaded it into memory, it executed the data collector. The data collector read through the data, grouped it, figured out that the data belonged to the machine A group, or the reaction plan, so it pumped the data to the machine A reaction plan. The dimensional items updated to reflect the data flowing into the plan. Now I can read the instructions and follow the recommendations for adjusting my machine.